Hello everyone.
एक दफ़ा का जिक्र है कि एक छोटे से गांव में अहमद नाम का एक लड़का रहता था। अहमद बहुत ईमानदार था। वो अपनी माँ की बहुत मदद करता और हर किसी के साथ नेक सलूक करता। एक दिन अहमद जंगल में खेल रहा था कि इसे एक थैली मिली। थैली खोलने पर इसने देखा कि इसमें सोने के सिक्के हैं। अहमद बहुत हैरान हुआ, लेकिन फौरन सोचा कि ये किसी और का माल हो सकता है। अहमद गांव के बड़े आदमी के पास गया और सच्चाई से सारी बात बताई। गांव के बड़े आदमी ने ऐलान किया कि जिस किसी की थैली गुम हुई है वो आकर ले जाए। थोड़ी देर बाद एक बूढ़ा आदमी आया और कहा कि ये थैली मेरी है। गांव के बड़े ने तस्दीक की और थैली वापस दे दी। बूढ़े आदमी ने अहमद की ईमानदारी से मुतासिर होकर इसे एक सोने का सिक्का इनाम में दिया। सबक: ईमानदारी हमेशा कामयाबी और इज्जत का बाइस बनती है।
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cartoon video for kids in Urdu. This is a fun and creative process, and I'll guide you through every step of it. Step 1. Story writing. The first and most important step in creating a cartoon video is writing the story. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. I simply asked it to provide me with a short story for kids in Urdu. Within seconds, it generated a complete script that I could use for my project. Isn't that amazing? ChatGPT makes story creation so simple and efficient. Step 2. Image generation. Once the story was ready, the next step was generating the images for the cartoon. For this, I used an AI tool called Motion Image Generator. Here's how you can use it. Sign up on the platform. Explore its homepage, which offers multiple features such as general creation and faceless short video. For this project, I selected general creation. Click on Use Content and paste your story into the prompt box. Hit the Generate button, and within moments, the tool will convert the text into scenes and generate images for each scene. Once all the images are generated, simply download them. The visuals look stunning and perfectly match the story. Step 3. Converting images into videos. Now that I had the images, it was time to turn them into a video. For this, I used another tool called Halo AI, also known as Minmax AI. Here's what I did. After signing up, I uploaded the image for the first scene. I copied and pasted the corresponding lines of the script for that scene. Click on Create, and after a short wait, the video for the first scene was ready. It was truly amazing to see how well it worked. I repeated this process for all the scenes, and soon, I had a collection of short video clips. Step 4. Adding voiceover. Once the video clips were ready, I needed to add a voiceover. For this, I used a free tool called Clipchamp. The process was simple. Sign up and go to the text-to-speech feature. Select the language, in this case, Urdu, and paste the story script. Preview the generated voice, and if it sounds good, save and export it. Step 5. Final video editing. Finally, I combined all the video clips and the voiceover into a single cohesive cartoon video. For this, I used a video editing tool like CapCut. There are many other similar tools you can use as well. Simply upload the videos and audio, align them properly, and make any final adjustments to enhance the video. By following these steps, you can create an engaging cartoon video for kids in Urdu. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Happy creating!